what, one thing I've noticed is that people really attach a lot of stigma to the term mental illness or mental health. So as you said, we don't have any problem saying, I have a fever today, or, I'm not feeling so well, I tripped and fell down. But to say the same thing about our mental well-being, as you said, is quite difficult for a lot of people. So, what are some of the common myths that people have around mental health? Why is it so much of a taboo, and why is it important for us to have an open dialogue about this?
Yeah. It's sad. I would say it's really sad that, the way we see or perceive mental health itself. I think a lot of it is because of, even when you look at the word mental, people use it very, very loosely, very, very, very negatively. So that's one thing, So if you want to tease somebody, make fun of somebody, it's mental, it's retard, it's stupid, So I think how we perceive our mental state itself is very, very wrong. It's very, very loosely kind of seen. I think that it's also to do with what's portrayed. Okay, let's say in movies, in pictures. Even when you look at, I think those days, years back, when you see pictures of mental asylums, so we are only seeing the very gross negative part of that. And therefore we associate it to, if it's a mental issue, we associate it to the worst image we have. So even in movies, what do we see? And also, I think a lot about the severe cases is what comes out, So when you're saying maybe schizophrenia or so I feel the whole, we need to change the whole image of that, how we perceive it. And I think even before they used to say, if you have a mental issue, or let's say a mental concern, you're possessed, So it's a lot of these images that we have in our mind. I think that needs to change. It's just like, let's say, so cancer, let's say in your health is kind of a severe, but then we could even have a back pain, which can, so they're different, let's say, different disorders, different way we look at each disorder. So how we need to kind of perceive the whole side of mental health, I think that needs to change. So then we understand it better, perhaps. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So you're saying really think about a range rather than, just the extreme. What are the different things along the way?
Absolutely.
Almost that could happen. And I like your thing about well-being, right? So it's how, like, you look after your physical health, you look after your mental health.
Yes.
So
True.
Before any disorders kind of come. So that makes a lot of sense.